Welcome to Condensed Crypto News, your daily source for concise crypto highlights within 3 minutes. Today is November 21st, 2025. The Bitcoin price is $82,000. And here are the updates. An article from CoinDesk reported that JP Morgan warns an MSCI decision could force Strategy out of major equity indices, adding pressure to the stock. Michael Saylor insists that Strategy is an operating company with a substantial software business, not a passive Bitcoin vehicle. Saylor highlights $7.7 billion in digital credit offerings this year, arguing no fund or trust could replicate the company's structure or strategy. Another article from CoinDesk reported that Bitcoin is bouncing above 84K as Fed Williams is putting the December rate cut back on the table. New York Fed President John Williams said on Friday that there's still room to adjust policy in the near term, putting a potential rate cut in December back on the table. Continuing in the grip of panicky selling, Bitcoin managed to bounce back over $84,000 from its morning low of $81,000. U.S. stock and index futures rose as well. The Fed's surprise hawkish pivot in late October contributed to Bitcoin's rapid slide over the past weeks, now down more than 30% from its record level. In other news, an article from Cointelegraph reported that Bitcoin's realized losses are rising to the FTX crash levels, with short-term holders driving Bitcoin sell-off. Realized losses are hitting historic levels, leaving investors to wonder where the bottom is. Another article from Cointelegraph reported that Bitcoin's slump to 86K is bringing BTC closer to max pain, but it is a great discount level. Analysts say Bitcoin is nearing its max pain zone as the cost basis of BlackRock's IBIT and Strategy's massive BTC treasury draw near. Next, Cointelegraph also reported that Bitcoiners are losing their mind after Scott Bessent walked into a Bitcoin bar. Bitcoiners viewed the U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent's appearance at the opening night of the Bitcoin-themed bar as a sign for Bitcoin. Lastly, Cointelegraph reported that Bitcoin is dropping as the yen is falling, and Canada approved stablecoin rules. Japan's stimulus package has shaken global markets, including Bitcoin, while the U.S. cracks down on Russia money laundering and sanction evasions with crypto. That concludes the news for today. Like the video and give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I create new content. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you do your own research. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.